guys, it's Anthony, and as you guys just seen, had a cold start with the Jeep. It is really cold right now. I mean, it's not really cold, but like the Jeep is actually truly cold. That was the cold start, and in the garage. Hopefully it sounds somewhat decent with the just iPhone camera. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a few things today. I'm going to get some new wipers since we're supposed to be getting 7 inches of snow tomorrow, which I'll probably be filming then. I want to pull the mud flaps off of this if it's not too cold in the garage. I mean, it's just a couple Phillips screws, so probably film that and just kind of hang out. And maybe we will put together the, maybe I'll throw in the snow from tomorrow in to this video as well. But, yeah, the Jeep is fully legal now. It's only taken like 2.5 months of fighting with this thing, but finally got it. No more check engine light. Starts, you know, it's all good. The idle's still a little funny. It moves, it fluctuates pretty rapidly, I guess. And I can show you guys. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it goes up and down quite a bit. And I also need to try and reposition the exhaust for the tailpipe piece, because the little heat shield that is attached to the gas tank, the exhaust is hitting that, and so you can lightly hear it rattle, and it's a little bit annoying, as well as, you know, the brakes squeal on very light braking. And my check engine light just came on for some reason. Don't know what that's about, but whatever. It passed emissions and it's legal now, so I don't really care. It runs and drives, so down the road we'll mess with that. But yeah, let's go ahead and run to AutoZone and get some wipers and get those changed, because we're gonna need them for the snow tomorrow. And my wipers absolutely suck at the moment, so yeah, we're gonna need them.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Alright, as you can see, we just pulled up to AutoZone in the little time lapse. So let's go find some wipers and see what we could do. Also, this is who's parked in front of me, YouTube Boost Bike Gear. We might have to check this guy out when we go home. I mean, it's a Honda Civic. Could be something kind of cool. But yeah, we might check it out. Alright, so we got some wiper blades. I went with kind of the cheapest ones I could find. I also got a fuel treatment just because it couldn't hurt, honestly. This thing really could use it. And I'm about to get gas anyways, so spent a little bit more than I would have liked, but kind of, well, I mean, the wipers are a necessity, because look at this. These things are horrible, like look at that. And with snow coming, you can't even really see it because the window's so dark. But trust me, you know, it's streaky all over. You can really see this side. But with snow coming, I really need some good wipers. So, because I drive a lot. So, yeah, let's go home and install these, I guess. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and change my wipers. First thing you wanna do is pick the wiper arm up a little bit and pull this little tab up. It should be fairly easy. You should be able to do it with just your hand. If not, you can get a flathead screwdriver and pop that up if you really need to. And then for the wiper, there is, for this style, if you pull it down, there's this little clip in here, and you just push it down and slide the wiper straight off. These are just the ones I got. These are the same ones that I put on the Ranger, and I like them, so hopefully these ones aren't too bad. So yeah, see if I can set you guys up here so you can see what I'm doing. So and then this one, you just open this little tab right here and you slide or and you push it up onto the wiper, I believe. Don't quote me on that. And there we go. That just took a minute. And pull this little thing off, push the little clip in. And there we go. The wiper is done. Now let's go ahead and do this one. Kind of hard because I can't just easily get a hold of it. Alright, well, that one we won't do because I don't want to mess with it. That brand new wipers. Alright, let's check to see if they work better than the other ones. Look at that. Nice. I mean, it's a little streaky, but I do have some sap on the windows still from when I bought it. I love having a tinted window. It's like a straight up mirror. Like, hi guys, how are you doing? It's really nice. Yeah, like I have this little bit of sap up here, over here. So I need to try and clean all this off slowly. This side just doesn't sit all the way down on the window for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, that's the tint peeling. Yeah. And I think the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take these off. I don't like mud flaps at all. I don't mind my Jeep getting dirty, so I think we're gonna go ahead and do that. I mean, it's just 3 Phillips screws, and I'm pretty sure it just pops out. So yeah, we'll go ahead and shut the Jeep off, get the tools out, and get going on that. So this should be extremely self-explanatory. We'll just whoop. Loosen these bad puppies up. Okay, anybody's watching this and wants these, let me know. Otherwise, I'm probably just gonna throw them away, honestly. If you want them and you live somewhere, you just gotta pay for shipping. And you can have these little things for free. Let's see if I can set you guys up somewhere. I don't think you guys can see this top one, but you know, you guys get the idea. Bam, just like that. Ah, looks so much better. Except for this. I don't know, little things at a time. I got some black spray paint, so we might just, you know, fix that. Paint them black or something. Maybe repaint all this stuff down here, get rid of some of that rust. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rest of these off and show you guys what it looks like after. So I'll show you guys the other side, so you guys get an idea of what it looks like with them. Oh, let me close the door. So here's your before look. And I'll show you guys the after in just a second. Something, because it's a little bit funny. So, as you can see, the Jeep's got a little bit of altitude to it right now, because with this before, I could not get my ratchet in here. So, this is what I had to do to get the back off. I have to jack this thing way up so I could get it off, but that's what she looks like with the tire stuffed. I mean, I think it flexes a little bit further, but yeah, that's fun. So let's go ahead and pull this one off now. So here is the after look of the Jeep. I think that it looks so much better, looks higher, just looks nicer. No fender flares, or when there's no fender flares, and all of that goodies. I think it just looks so much better, so much nicer. So yeah, I think that's all we're doing for this today. Don't really have much else to do, honestly. I'll drive it and enjoy it. Next, I want to go wheeling one time, and then I want to pull the rear sway bar and the front sway bar, or make sway bar disconnects for the front. As well as I want to find a better way to mount my license plate than just some zip ties. So I'm thinking about getting some angle iron or something and put up here the length of that and drill some holes, mount it, and then have the plate be able to mount to the face of it. So this is that guy's channel, I'm assuming, from AutoZone. So let's go ahead and check out his channel. 728 subscribers, 18 views. Looks like it's here in Colorado. That's kind of cool. He hasn't posted in a week. Huh. I don't know. Too bad we're in the different car community. Different parts of the car community, but you know, hey, that's cool if anybody wants to check it out. So I think we're kind of done doing stuff for today. It's already 7 o'clock. So maybe I'll update you guys when it starts snowing or something, but for right now we are done for doing stuff. So either, I don't know, we'll see, but right now just making some pizza bagels for me and my fiance for when she gets home from work, just to have something to eat And I believe we're gonna go to the store tonight, so maybe I'll film that. I don't know. And I'll update you guys with the snow probably. I'm gonna kind of edit what I've got already and see if it's worth being one video by itself. And we'll go from there. But if you guys have made it this far into the video, if you guys are new, it'd be greatly appreciated if you could like, comment, and subscribe. We're on that road to 50 subscribers. We're at like 28 or something like that, so that's pretty cool. If you like gaming videos and stuff like that, I do also have a gaming channel that's close to 1K subs, and that is going to be Solo Assassin. You could look it up, or I'll put it down in the video description. Let's go ahead and throw these pizza bagels in and see what happens for the rest of the night. So I think we're gonna be done filming for the day. It's 11:40, so I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video now. And well, if we play in the snow tomorrow, I will make that one video. Yeah, if you guys are new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. We're on that road to 50 subscribers. If we could get 5 likes on this video, that'd be greatly appreciated. Has been Anthony. I'm gonna talk to you guys later.